when Bhutan and Nepal joined later in 1998, then the abbreviation, they stuck up with BIMSTEC, but they changed the name to Bay of Bengal Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, etc. So I'll be talking about BIMSTEC. So what is BIMSTEC? Though nothing much has happened in these organizations, still they are all important because India is a member, and it serves some purpose, particularly what is known as part of India's Look East policy. What is Look East? I think many times UPSC has asked questions in the mains. BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal, B stands for Bay of Bengal, I stands for initiative for, M stands for MS multi-sectoral, technical and economic cooperation. Bay of Bengal, initiative for multi-sectoral, technical and economic cooperation. So this connects South Asia and Southeast Asia. SAARC is separate, ASEAN is separate. Now there is an organization which links some countries, not all the countries of SAARC, the countries which are having, in the eastern part of the subcontinent, having boundaries, land boundaries, like India and Bangladesh also has boundary with Myanmar, and connecting them with some of the Southeast Asian countries. So it's a very novel, it transcends the regional barriers or the geographical barriers, and so the number of countries are, so easy to remember also, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. These four are from South Asian countries. So these four, please remember, BBIN also, they are members of that, the eastern part of the subcontinent. And from the side of ASEAN, it is Myanmar and Thailand. Of course, Sri Lanka is also there. So there are 5 countries. Sri Lanka is also there. Sri Lanka. So there are totally 7 countries which are, obviously Bhutan and Nepal are landlocked countries, though the organization is called BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative. But original name of that was not, when this was started in 1997, there were only 5 countries were there. So that was, for example, B stood for Bangladesh, I stood for India. That time the word Bay of Bengal was not there. It was said only by the acronym of the starting countries. And M for Myanmar, S for Sri Lanka, and T for Thailand. Only 5 countries were that, and EC stood for economic cooperation. So when Bhutan and Nepal joined later in 1998, then the abbreviation, they stuck up with BIMSTEC, but they changed the name to Bay of Bengal Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, etc. So 2004, Nepal and Bhutan joined later. So this is, I'll just show you the map, what are these countries, and so you can see that. So the countries are India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, then Sri Lanka, 5, and then Myanmar and Thailand. India and Thailand were the prime movers of that. So Thailand has been a very good friend of India among the ASEAN countries. So that's how it happened. So what I am saying is, this organization has been a brainchild of both India and Thailand together, but not been very active in the last this thing. So 2004, it has identified 14 sectors for cooperation. Obviously 14 we can't remember. So each member country, one of the member countries will be heading each of the 14 main sectors of cooperation, and India is heading 4 sectors. Only those 4 sectors I will tell: transport and communication. It's not a likely question. So tourism, intelligence sharing, third one, fourth one, environment and disaster management. So these are the 4 areas India is heading. So the chairmanship of BIMSTEC rotates in the alphabetical order. First it started with Bangladesh, and it just rotates and all those things, etc. So then we have so totally right now 4 summits have taken place. So far 4 summits have taken place. First was in 2004 in Bangkok, Thailand. Second was 2008, India, New Delhi. Third was 2014, Myanmar, Naypyidaw, and fourth was 2018, Kathmandu, Nepal capital. The fifth one is scheduled for 2022, hopefully after the COVID situation improves, in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So far 4 summit meets have taken place. The last was 2018. So I don't expect any question on this per se. So in 2019 November, a conclave of ports of these countries, of the BIMSTEC countries, was hosted by India, because as I said, maritime security and port-led development, Sagarmala, all those things, etc. That's why I am telling. 2019 November, a BIMSTEC conclave of ports was held in India, in Vizag, Visakhapatnam, in Andhra Pradesh.